Okay, long division by 12. Now, to divide by 12, I need my 12 time table starting from 0. So let's kind of go through those. 12 times 0 is 0. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2, I'll do this. To do the 2, I'll just add 2 plus 2, which is 4, and 1 plus 1, which is 2. For 12 times 3, I'm going to add 1 and 2 here. So that's 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 2 is 3. To get the fourth one, I'm going to add the 1 and 3 to get the 4. So that'll be 2 plus 6, which is 8, and 1 plus 3, which is 4. To get the 5, I'm going to add 1 and 4 together. So that's 2 and 8, which is 10. Carry my 1. Put the 1 up here. 1 and 4, which is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Okay. And if we need more, we'll go get them. Well, let's keep going. To get the 12, I basically need my 1 and my 5. So 2 plus 0 is 2, and 1 plus 6 is 7. To get the 7, I can add my 1 and my 6 together. Let's see here. Yeah, my 1 and my 6. So that'll be 2 plus 2, which is 4, and 1 plus 7, which is 8. Now to get my 8, I'm going to put my 5 and 3 together, the 5 and the 3. So it'll be 6 and 0, which is 6, and my 3 and my 6 together, which is 9. Okay, to get my 9, I'm going to put my 4 and my 5 together, these two. So 8 and 0 make 8, and 6 and 4 make 10. And there we go. Now we're ready. Now, the closest thing to 8 in the 12 time tables will be 0. So 0 below, and the multiplier is 0 above. So 0 here, and 0 there. And then we subtract. And we get 8, and we bring down the 6. Okay, now the closest thing to 86. The closest thing to 86 in the 12 time tables is 84 with a multiplier of 7. So we'll put 84 below and 7 above. 84 below and 7 above. Now let's subtract. We're going to get 2. Now we'll bring down the 5. The closest thing to 25 in the 12 time tables is actually 24 with a multiplier of 2. So we're going to put 24 below and 2 above. 24 below and 2 above. And now we subtract and we get 1. Now we bring down our 0. We have 10 now. The closest thing to 10 in the 12 time table is 0 with a multiplier of 0. So we put 0 below and 0 above. 0 below and 0 above. And subtract. And we get 10. And we bring down the next number, which is 6. 106. The closest thing to 106 in the 12 time tables is actually 96. That's the closest thing right here. So we're going to put down 96 below with the multiplier 8 above. So 96 here, and then with the 8 above. Now let's subtract. When we subtract, I'm going to get 0 here and 1 here, and bring down my 8. Now the closest thing to 108 in the 12 time tables would be 108. So let's put 108 below and the multiplier 9 above. So 108 below and 9 above. And subtracting, we do get 0. And we're done. Okay. Let's do this once again for, let's do the next one. Let's do the very next one. Okay, so my 12 time tables, just for practice, are 0. 12 times 1 is 12. To get 12 times 2, we're going to say 2 plus 2, which is 4, and 1 plus 1, which is 2. To get 3, we're going to add the 1 and the 2. So we have 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 2 is 3. To get 4, we're going to add the 1 and the 3, which is 2 plus 6, 8, and 1 plus 3, which is 4. To get the 5, we're going to add the 1 and the 4 together. So 2 plus 8 is going to be 10. Carry my 1. And 1 plus 4 is going to be 5, plus 1 more is 6. Now to get the 6, we're going to take the 5 and the 1 together. So 12 and the 60. So 2 plus 0 is 2. And 1 and 6 makes 7. To get the 7, we're going to take the 5 and the 2. The 5 and the 2, which is 4 and 0 make 4. And 2 and 6 make 8. To get the 8, we're going to put the 5 and the 3 together, these two right here. So 6 and 0 is 6, and 3 and 6 makes 9. And finally, to get the 9, we're going to put the 4 and the 5 together. So 0 and 8 make 8, and 4 and 6 makes 10. All right, now we have those. All right, so the closest thing to 4 in the 12-time tables is actually 0, with a multiplier of 0. So we'll put 0 here, and the multiplier is 0 there, and we'll subtract, and we get 4. Bring down the 9, and the closest thing to 49 in the 12-time tables is actually 48. So we can put 48 below, and the multiplier 4 above. So 48 here, and then 4 above. Now let's subtract, and we get 1. So now we bring down the 0. The closest thing to 10 in the 12-time tables is actually 0, and the multiplier is 0. So we put 0 below and 0 above. 0 below, 0 above, and we're going to subtract, and we get 10. Then we bring down the 3, and we look for the closest thing to 103. The closest thing to 103 is actually 96. 108 is too big. So 96 with a multiplier of 8. So 96 below and 8 above. Now we'll subtract. To go from 96 up to 100, I need 4 more, and then to get to 103, I need 3 more, so that's 7. And then I'll bring down my 5. Now, what's the closest thing to 75 in the 12-time tables? It's 72. So we use 72 below, and the multiplier is 6 above, so 72, and then 6 above. Okay, now let's subtract. And I get 3. And now I'm going to bring down my 6 right here. The closest thing to 36 in the 12-time tables is 36 with a multiplier of 3. So I'll put 36 below and 3 above. So 36 below and 3 above. And subtract, and we get 0.